400 years ago, Signor Urbano Monte constructed a 10-foot window into a world we no longer recognize. He wasn't just an artist, he was an architect of data. Tonight, we go in search of the legendary creatures and forgotten sectors recorded in his master archive. 20 entries, one impossible map. Let's open the files. Hello, my name is Data. Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go take a look at an old map from 1587 called the Urbano Monte Planisphere World Map. Now what's most fascinating about this, it has a lot of mythical creatures on there from all kinds of eras from the past. So we're going to go take a look at those. So now that we know where the map is from and that we are in the Renaissance period, I'm going to make myself a little smaller, put myself in the corner of the screen, because the mythical creatures are the star of the show. So why don't we get going and check out the 20 most adorable and some dragons on the Urbano Monte world map. We're going to start out at number 20 with the Horned Satyr. This is in the southern sector. And Monte shows us a small upright horned creature in the southern landmass labeled near the Land of Fire. It's recorded as a reclusive inhabitant of the far south. A 400-year-old look at the legendary. Number 19, Monte shows us a bright red bird with deep green wings perched right above the fire label, and the archive records exotic colorful life thriving in the southern coastal warmth. It's a beautiful biological moment on that map for sure. Number 18, the Spotted Sentry. Monte shows us a spotted bird with a startlingly human face watching the coastline. Recorded as an intelligent sentry of the coast, it's been sitting in the archives for over 400 years. Number 17, the Armored Sea Hunter. Monte shows us a metallic scaled fish with jagged red teeth. Ancient sailors logged these as the primary predators of the deep trade routes, and a 16th century system entry for ocean hazards. 16, the Great Rotsburg. Monte shows us a bird large enough to carry an elephant. This is the Rots. Ancient mountain tribes reported these as the apex predators of the high peaks. And look at the massive scale of the 1587 world creature. 15, the Silver Sentinel, near the Bargu sector. Monte shows us a white, long-tailed creature wearing a blue collar in the northern woods, labeled in the sector of Bargu. It's recorded as a noble guardian of the mountain passes. 14, the Serpent Lion. Monte shows us a creature labeled as a lion, but with the living serpent for a tail. This is a record of a system hybrid, or chimera. Legend says they were recorded as guardians because they could watch in two directions at once. 13, the Gago River Dragon. Monte shows us in this one a winged reptile labeled Gago, guarding a mountain river. In 1587, this was a documented warning for travelers in the sector. A lizard with wings, caught in the high-definition archives. Number 12, Monte shows us a goat-like creature called the Blue-Horned Leaper, and this has human-like hands and bright blue horns. This was labeled as a leaper of the high woods. It's recorded as a fast-moving inhabitant of the northern forests. 11, the Giant Moon Rabbit. Monte shows us an oversized rabbit sitting in the middle of a massive block of text, and lore describes these as the protectors of ancient knowledge. And this is a 1587 aesthetic mascot sitting right there. As we head into the next 10, we can look back and say, wow, some of those were really fascinating. Which one was one of your favorites? Leave that down in the comments below. 10. The Dragon versus the Lion. Monte showed us a spotted dragon in combat with a lion, and this legendary battle is recorded in the Southern Forbidden Zone, which is a 400-year-old look at the territorial power struggle of the ancient worlds. 9. Nearly right below it, Monte shows us a giant with a club facing off against a giant breathing dragon labeled in the Southern Ring, and this entry records a boss battle happening on the literal edge of the world. Number 8. The White Griffin. Monte shows us the Grifo. The archive says they were fiercely territorial because they built nests on top of their gold veins. In 1587, this was a high security signal for the explorers. Number 7. The Cani Elani. Monte shows us a noble dog with a blue collar labeled Cani Elani. These were legendary warhounds of the Alan tribes in Tartaria, a 400-year-old record of a domesticated guardian. Number 6. The Nile Runner. Monte shows us an athletic horse-like creature labeled as Camelo near the Nile River. It's built for speed that modern camels can't match, and if we look at the high-speed logistics of the ancient world through this image, yeah, we're headed into the top 5, and this is where it's going to get really good. Mythical creatures. Number 5. Monte shows us a giant with a single eye, labeled Cyclops vel Manaculus. He's carrying a club with his latest hunt. This archive records these as the sentries of the high passes. Number 4. The Crimson Sentry. Monte shows us a massive bird with deep red markings and a tucked head, labeled near the Rio de la Plata. It's recorded as an early warning system for the southern coastline. Number 3. The Bargu Sentinel. Here, Monte shows us a white griffin guarding the high security sector of Bargu. With a red eye and black talons, it's recorded as the primary gatekeeper of the northern riches. Number 2. The Guinea Dragon. Here Monte shows us a winged dragon and a horned beast in the Guinea sector. And this archive records this as the red zone, filled with life that was once common knowledge. And finally at number 1, Monte shows us a merman, the humanoid merman, with a human face and intelligent eyes. This isn't a monster. It's recorded as a sentient inhabitant of the 1587 oceans. On this map, we're just sharing the data. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.